नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. तर आज आपण क्लास 11th यामधील मोशन इन प्लेन यामधील ॲक्सेलरेशन, त्यानंतर ॲव्हरेज ॲक्सेलरेशन अँड इन्स्टंटेनियस ॲक्सेलरेशन हे तीन कन्सेप्ट पाहणार आहोत. The first one is acceleration. Now the acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respective time. Acceleration means rate of change of velocity with respective time. Acceleration हे बदललेला वेग आणि कालावधी यांचा रेशो आहे. And it is denoted by small a or capital A. The second point is acceleration is a vector quantity and it is given by the acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Now the acceleration is denoted by capital A or small a, and the change in velocity is denoted by dv. Then in point number 4, the acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time. Then acceleration a equal to dv upon dt. The dv is known as change in velocity and dt is known as time. Then the acceleration is a equal to v minus u upon t. That is, the v is known as final velocity and u is known as initial velocity. That is, v minus u is known as change in velocity. The change in velocity dv is the difference between the final velocity and initial velocity. Then it is SI unit is meter per second square. That is, SI unit is meter per second square, and it is a dimension formula m0, L1 and t minus 2. This is the dimension formula for acceleration. Now the second concept is average acceleration. The average acceleration is the change in velocity divided by the total time required for change. The average acceleration is, the simple definition, rate of change of velocity to the total time required for this change. Now acceleration and average acceleration is main difference, as in acceleration the rate of change of velocity with time, and in average acceleration the rate of change of velocity with total time required. Then it is given by, now average acceleration equal to v2 vector minus v1 vector, that is change in velocity, and t2 minus t1 is total change in time. Then the average velocity is equal to delta v upon delta t. This is average acceleration. Now delta a vector equal to av, average acceleration equal to delta v vector upon delta t is the formula for average acceleration. Now the last concept is instantaneous acceleration. Now the instantaneous acceleration is the limiting value of average acceleration. Now the limiting value of average acceleration is known as instantaneous acceleration. Then it is given by, now acceleration instant equal to limit delta t tends to 0 bracket delta v vector upon delta t. Then delta v vector upon delta t is the average acceleration, and the instantaneous acceleration is the limiting value of average acceleration. Now this is the three concept. The first one is acceleration. Now the second is average acceleration, and third is instantaneous acceleration. Then we can see another concept in next lecture. Thank you.